Hi everybody, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Welcome to this video. It's a Thursday evening, but I will be posting this on Friday. So this is Friday, July the 29th, 2022. And I have a very fun video for you today, I think. Fun for me for sure, because I get to unbox some jewelry, some new jewelry I ordered, and I'm very excited about that. Also, I have some fun summer accessories to share with you. So this case, it's earrings. So I'm going to share, I have 5 pair of my favorite earrings that I've been wearing all summer. So I want to share those with you. And then at the very end, it's National Lipstick Day on July the 29th. So I have 3 favorite shades that I've been wearing this summer, and lots of sales and fun things happening tomorrow that I'm going to link in the description box for you below. So it's a great time to be online shopping in July. Who knew, right? So let's get going. Let's start with my unboxing of my new jewelry. So I'm super excited to share this with you, but before I do, I want to say thank you to all the people who are subscribing and coming on board lately. I hope you're enjoying my videos and looking around and seeing that you really like the content on this channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. I hope you as well enjoy this video, but let's get started because I'm so excited. It's like Christmas every time I get some new jewelry that I've ordered online. So here it is. I took it out of the courier box, of course, but here it is. This is the Miranda Fry, all nicely packaged up. And it came with this beautiful little card for your receipt. So that's very nice. And I can't wait to get started. Now I did talk about this special charm that I wanted, and I talked about it, I think, way back on Mother's Day. Oh, I should probably be quiet while I unwrap this. Okay, can you hear me now? So there's the box, beautiful box. So the charm, as I was saying, I was wanting since Mother's Day. And oh, look at the beautiful, very beautiful little bag. Very nice little pouch. It says it's got directions on taking off the security tag so that you don't wreck your jewelry. Now here is the chain. Look at this beautiful chain. Can you see? That is really nice. What I wanted was something that had a link effect to it, but wasn't very big. And look how sparkly that is. That's lovely. Now this is called the, let me just look. I believe it's Avene chain. Sorry, I'm wrong. It's Vera chain, and it's 16 inches. I wanted it shorter, so that's, and I'm going to try it on for you, of course. So, and I'm thinking in here is the little charm, the little poachy. Yes, there it is. Now look at this charm. Oh, I love it so much. Can you see? It's a little moon with little stars. And then the little clasp has some CZs on it as well. So pretty. I really like it. So the moon has a special meaning to me, a romantic special meaning to me, as it does for many people. And it also looks like my initial, right? C, the crescent moon. So I think that's just such a special charm, and I'm so pleased to have it. So I'm going to try this on now. So I took the chain out of the box, and as you can see, I should have done my nails for this video. As you can see, it's got the little Miranda Fry charm on it, and then it's got a little hoop right there, so you can make it either 16 or 17 inches, depending on which hoop you use to do it up. So I'm going to put my charm on it. So there you can see it on. Isn't it pretty? I'm so pleased. I really like it. I wore my blue dress. I did a video about this dress. It's one of my favorite summer dresses now. And it's so cool and airy and just, you know, lovely to wear. And I love the color. But anyway, doesn't it show off my necklace nicely? I really like that. So, and I took my earrings off because I had on these big dangly earrings and I wanted to be able to keep the focus on the necklace as I showed it to you. But anyway, there will be a link to Miranda Fry down below. And she always have lovely, lovely things on sale. This charm, it's called the Dreamer Charm. I got on sale for $25, I think it was. It doesn't say on here. I believe it was either $24 or $25. So I think that's a great deal. If you're looking for something for yourself or something to give a loved one, I just think it's a wonderful, wonderful charm. Anyway, you can tell I like it. Anyway, we'll move on now with the rest of the video. I'm going to show off some of my favorite earrings that I've been wearing this summer. Okay, so here we go. So where to start? I think I will start with these gold dangly ones. Now, what I wanted to say to you is, in the fall and the winter, I tend to wear my hair down a lot, and I prefer wearing my hair down, to be honest with you. But in the summer, when it's so hot like it is right now, it's crazy hot here where I live. And I know it's crazy hot where a lot of other people live too. So I wear my hair back in a ponytail tied with one of my teleties that I've talked about before. And I love the look of a big, interesting earring with your hair slicked back in a ponytail like this. And particularly because I wear glasses, I just kind of like that whole vibe. So I have a whole collection I'm going to share with you now. These are gold dangly ones. And I will try my best to find things near to the ones I'm sharing with you to link to. Some of them I may not be able to, but I will try. Do my best. The idea behind these is they're a matte gold, but what's important about these ones is that they're on a chain and there's a lot of movement in them, right? And they're very reflective. So sometimes in the winter I even wear these because I think they're quite dressy, even though they're just plain gold. I think they look quite dressy. So anyway, these are my gold ones. I really like them. I think they're very, very pretty. And they, you know, when you have your hair back, I think they're very nice. So that's the first pair. So the second pair I have to share with you are kind of fun, I think. These I bought when I was on holiday in Spain, in Barcelona, before the lockdown. So they are kind of old now, but can you see their faces? And they reminded me of when Barcelona had the Olympics, they had this logo that was a face, a very modern kind of Picasso looking face. And they reminded me of that when I was there. So I bought them and I've been wearing them a lot ever since. So when you're on holiday or if there's some special place you go, even if it's close to home, it's nice to find a little pair of earrings or something that bring back the memory of that special time. I was with my daughter. We had such a good holiday. So there you go. There's a second pair in silver. Just fun little faces. So the third pair I have to share with you are these. They are jade looking. They are not real jade. Real jade would be very, very heavy on your ears, and these would be much too heavy to wear. So these are not real jade, but I have been wearing a lot of this color over the last year or so. So I bought them because of that, and I think they're very elegant looking when they're on. You see, even though they're very substantial, I think they do look quite elegant on. I get a lot of compliments on them when I wear them. So they are a little heavy. By the end of the day, I do want to take them off, but not too bad. So you can see they're quite an elegant shape, quite elegant looking. They don't go with the blue at all, of course, but you get the idea. So pair number 4 are some dressier ones. These are pearls, not real pearls, but natural looking pearls. And I wear a lot of white in the summertime and in the winter. So these I kind of wear all year round. But I think they're very pretty. And I like the hoops. And pearls were very in style starting in the spring this year, maybe even before that. And they will continue to be in style. So I think I will get a lot of wear out of these, and I think they're a nice, they're quite large, but I think they're quite nice. So I do like wearing them. Let's see. So there we go. So last but not least for the summer fun earrings, big earrings. And if you didn't see my trends video, the big earrings from the 80s are coming back in style, which is great. I think I love a big statement earring, especially with my hair back, like I said. Don't wear them so much when my hair is down, but when my hair is back, I'm happy they're in style. So anyway, there should be lots of great earrings around come the fall and onward. Now, for those of you who are shy of color, this might be shocking, but look at these babies. You know I love color, and what better time to wear it than in the summer? And where better to wear it than on your ears? These are Raffia earrings in a fan shape. I think they're to die for. Whenever I wear them, I feel very Spanish. I don't know why. Do you think they look Spanish? Anyway, I have a yellow blazer that I showed you in, I think in my capsule wardrobe when I said throw in a bit of color. I showed you my yellow blazer. And I do have an orange silk tank top that I wear under it. And I think this just with those two things is great. Throw on some jeans and I'm having a really fun time in my summer colors. So I think they're lots of fun. Now, I know they come in other colors and Raffia is still very on trend. So I should be able to find you similar ones if you just want to have a look and see if you can find something fun for yourself for summer. What better time to wear it, right? So, okay, so that's it for my summer fun earrings. Now, you all have seen, if you've seen my videos, you've seen me wear my silver hoops and my gold hoops a lot. I don't know where the gold ones are. But these are earrings I wear all year round. Very plain, very basic. And Miranda Fry has some great hoops as well, where I got the chain, which will be linked down below. So if you're looking for hoops, hoops are classic. And it doesn't matter if it's summer, spring, winter, fall. You can always wear your hair back and wear hoops. And I think that's just a classic look. So you've seen me wear them lots. But I wanted to focus on the other earrings I have that I wear mostly in the summer and mostly for fun. So moving on then, as I mentioned at the start of the video, Friday, July 29th, is National Lipstick Day. I think it's national. It might be International Lipstick Day. I'm not sure. But anyway, we're celebrating lipstick. So there you go. So if you're watching this video on or around July the 29th, there's lots of great celebrating lipstick sales on. And I've linked a few down in my description box below. So you can check them out, including the Merit Beauty new signature line, which I think is really beautiful. I haven't bought any yet, but I do intend to. But I did see it featured on a couple other of YouTube creators' channels, and they look just beautiful. So I would suggest checking those out, and they're reasonably priced too. They're not ridiculous, so they look beautiful. Anyway, I said that already. I wanted to share with you my 3 favorite lipsticks that I am wearing for the summer. The first one I have on right now, and it's called Insousciant, and it's from Loreal. There it is. And here's the color. Look at this beautiful color. Now, I have trouble describing this color. I think it's a perfect rose. Kind of a nudie rose, maybe. I don't know. But when you put it on, it has a little bit of orange tint to it, I think. I guess that depends on your underneath. But anyway, this one is beautiful. It's very moisturizing. It's very, as you can see, it's kind of a sheer. It doesn't look matte or anything. It has a nice kind of satin finish to it. And it is long lasting. So to me, this is a real winner. It'll be linked down below if you're looking for a new color. Insousciant. So I'm going to try and take these off in between without making a mess, which might be a bit of a challenge. I my makeup remover doesn't taste very good. Yeah. So the next one I have that's a favorite is, this is a Loreal as well, and this is the color Riche formula, Peony Pink. And I've been using this one for quite a while. You will have seen it before if you watch my videos. There's the color. It's a beautiful pink satin finish. A little bit sparkly, but not crazy. Lovely in the summer, particularly when you start to get a bit of a tan, a bit of color on your face. So there we go. Just a beautiful pink color. Can you see? Yeah. And I should mention too, this is after work for me. So the makeup I have on, I've been wearing all day, and it's holding up great. So I will list it all below, but I wanted to show you in particular my eyeshadow. I put blue on today, variations of blue. This is the Morphe palette, and I think it's been holding up really great. So I just wanted to mention that. It'll be linked down below as well. Sometimes I get asked what eyeshadow I'm wearing, so maybe not on my YouTube channel, but in person I get asked. And feel free to ask me if you're ever watching one of my videos and you want to know what I'm wearing on my face and makeup or whatever, please ask in the comments. Any comment you have, please put in the description, or not in the description box, please comment down below. I love to get your comments and read them. And as those of you who have been commenting know, I respond. So here we go with the last one. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Didn't want you to see that awful face I made, so I went off and did it. This, again, don't be afraid of color, right? Look at this color. This is Clinique. It's the color Pop. And I bought this quite a while ago now. Graffiti Pop is the color name. I think back when I was doing the 30 products, which was in April, from 30 different brands, this was one of the products. So there is a video about it, I do believe. But anyway, here we go. Just a great shade for summer. When you want the color on your lips and not on your eyes. A really pretty standout pinky, orangey pink. So those are my 3 favorite lipsticks that I've been wearing this summer. There's been some other things that are fun that I've been trying out. This is the Haus Labs Lip Oil, which is really nice and nourishing and can go over anything. But if you wear it on its own, it has kind of a pinky trace, you can see. It does leave that behind a little bit. So there we go. That's the end of this video. Thank you for joining me. And if you're still around, you stuck it with it to the end, almost the end, because at the end there's always a special guest that shows up, and that's coming up. But for now, I want to say thank you for being here. And if you like this video and my channel, when you poke around and you look at other things, please like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with a girlfriend or an auntie or your mother or your grandma. If you'd like to. I think that we are building a wonderful community of women who are inspired by beauty and want to celebrate their own beauty inside and out. Every one of us is beautiful. So this community is all about that. And I'm having a wonderful time creating this content and sharing it with all of you. So like and subscribe and share, please. Thank you. So as always, Miss Bonnie is here to say goodbye. Aren't you? Yes. I gave her a nice bath yesterday. So I think she's feeling better. Looking a little better. Looking pretty. Yeah. Such a good girl. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye now.